अरे भैया वीडियो शुरू होने से पहले सब्सक्राइब का बटन दबा दीजिए हाय ताकि आप लोग हर नोटिफिकेशन पा पाए Everybody!
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So here I am once again with one more easy painting for the kids. You can try it out at home with kids and I'm sure they will love their masterpiece. So here is the artwork which I'll make today in this video. So for this particular artwork I used black as base and over that I took orange and shocking pink combination. And if you want, you can use white background. It will look really nice on the white as well. So I wanted to see how it will look with the black background, so I tried with the black background. So let's start with the painting. And for this particular painting, I used acrylic colors, canvas and some thick cotton threads. So let's begin.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.